Good morning, Sir JB Francisco. I'm Jerome Nick Francisco from BPED 1A. Ngayon araw, ikaw po ay akin i-interviewin. May 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 akong question para sa iyo. First, please describe your daily routine in your job.
As a teacher, my daily routine usually begins with preparing lessons, materials, and organizing the classroom before students arrive. That is the most important. Throughout the day, I facilitate lessons guides, discussion, assist students' understanding, and also I provide feedback. I also manage classroom behavior and support students and individually and integrate activities that promote cognitive, social, and physical development. Then after class, I check outputs, prepare future lessons, and coordinate with colleagues or parents when needed.
Okay, thank you po. Next question is, what do you find most rewarding and enjoyable about your job?
I think the most rewarding and enjoyable about my job as a teacher is the students. And part of teaching is seeing students learn and grow, especially when they gain confidence in skills they once struggled with, like in reading and literacy, counting numbers or numeracy, watching them understand a concept, improve their abilities, or show enthusiasm for learning and gives me a strong sense of purpose and fulfillment. And also, building positive relationship with students also makes the job meaningful and enjoyable.
Okay, thank you po. Next question is, what do you find the least enjoyable part of your job?
As a MAPE teacher and also teaching in physical education as well, the least enjoyable part is the heavy administrative workload, such as extensive paperwork, documentation, and report, which sometimes reduces the time available for lesson preparation and meaningful interaction with students. Managing behavioral challenges can also be demanding, especially when students need more support than available resources allow.
Okay, thank you po. Next question is, what knowledge do you think is most essential to possess in your job?
The knowledge that I think that most essential possessed in my job as a PE teacher is that teaching includes strong content knowledge, understanding of child development, classroom management strategies, and effective instructional methods. Equally important is knowing how students learn differently and how to adapt teaching approaches to meet diverse needs.
Okay, thank you po. Next question po is, how much of role do is the teaching of motor skill play in your job?
Um, the role that the teaching of motor skills play in my job as a teacher is motor skills plays a significant role, especially um, in elementary education, like me, teaching PE from grade 4, 5, 6, that is in intermediate level. Many classroom activities involve fine motor skills, such as writing, cutting, drawing, and gross motor skills like movement activities, physical exercise, and games. So, developing these skills supports students' academic performance, um, coordination, and overall the physical development.
Okay, thank you po. Next question is, what knowledge concerning the teaching of skills do you think it is most important for someone in your position?
Um, the knowledge concerning the teaching of skills, like I think that is the most important for someone in my position is that it is important to understand, importante na maunawaan how skills develop progressively and how practice, feedback, and repetition influence learning. Kasi yung teacher, it is need to know how to break complex skills into manageable steps demonstrate clearly, provide guided practice, and give constructive feedback. Awareness of individual differences in learning, pace, and ability also essential.
Okay, thank you po. Last question is, for a current student of motor learning, what do you think is the most important information for me to acquire?
The most important information that you should acquire to me is that understanding the motor learning requires consistent practice, okay, as a PE teacher, and appropriate feedback and gradual progression from simple to complex movements. Um, by the way, it is crucial to recognize stages of skill acquisition, but individual variability among learners, and the role of motivation and environment in skills development. Knowing how to design engaging, developmentally appropriate activities that promote both skill, mastery, and enjoyment is also a key for motor learning. That's it.
Okay, thank you po, Sir JB Francisco.